So, welcome to our offices at Menlo Park. I'm super excited to be doing this with you. When we were looking at your Series A, what really got us excited was a combination of your background and the founding team's background. Early folks at Rubrik, you yourself were the co-founder, and have deep technical expertise and are going after what is a very hard but extremely valuable technical problem to be solved. And with Wisdom, what we saw was a beautiful product that had truly simplified the way people can do data analytics in the future. Someone can simply ask a question and they'll get charts, insights, and investigations back and can turn those into reports. That truly does feel like the way people need to be interacting with their data going forward. And there's a big market opportunity ahead of you if you play your cards right. So we're very excited to be your Series A partner.
Likewise, first of all, amazing to partner with you. Kleiner is an iconic firm, so we are very excited to be working with you. As you mentioned, we are building the virtual data analyst. What it means is we enable data teams within mid to large enterprises to essentially train AI analysts, which can automate a whole bunch of data tasks and also bring data self-service to all their business stakeholders. Just to kind of contextualize this a bit, we are deployed within Cisco Finance. We help finance analysts understand the procurement vendor management operations. We are deployed within Rubrik. We are helping the revenue operations organization to understand pipeline, understand productivity. Completely different domain. ConocoPhillips, it's an oil and gas major. We are helping engineers run their day-to-day mining and refining operations effectively. We're working with large organizations, very complex and very diverse class of data. The goal is to empower folks who do not have the technical chops necessarily to analyze data, but giving them very, very high speed to data.
You've often talked about empowering non-technical and semi-technical folks, and you've used the word democratize. I'd be curious to hear from your perspective what it means to truly democratize analytics and insights.
The basic premise is this. If you need an answer to a question, and that question could be what's causing margin compression, what's not making my campaign go well, what's making this machine fail, the answer should be immediately available to you. This is by no means the status quo today. Any of the questions I described, the standard answer right now is, I'll give you the answer 2 weeks later. I have to prioritize, do the analysis, give you the answer. That's what the data analyst would tell you. Our goal is to make all of this real time, instant.
If you look at some of your customers today, and you alluded to them earlier, what is that aha moment for a user?
Our product demos really well. So take a question, why is my campaign not going well? Or help me understand why there is a spike in this chart. Instead of 2 weeks, we spin, and in like 20 seconds, we have an answer for you. It could be very visual. There could be a chart that comes out. It could be a much deeper analysis, which looks across multiple data sets. But in real time, you essentially get like this very complex analysis done and a concise key takeaway created for you. We will make it so that anyone in an organization, when they need an answer, they come to Wisdom, they just get it immediately. As nice as it sounds, the vision is way beyond that. Just take the marketing campaign example. It's not good enough to just say, tell me how my campaign is doing. What if not only we know how the campaign is doing, we also know how to fix it? So this whole ability to be very, very proactive, that is, I think, where we see the future of the company.
It's a very exciting vision. You're going to continue to have to grow your team to go after it. So are you hiring, and what are you looking for?
We are looking for people who are very ambitious. And this kind of works across the spectrum: engineering, go-to-market, sales, marketing, everywhere. For the folks interested in engineering, we have some extremely hard technical problems that you're working through. So, if you like to solve hard problems, we are the company for you.